Hello students. Definitely you are enjoying your summer camp. Are you enjoying? Yes. So today we are going to enjoy the another activity. Today I am talking about musical instruments. It's a string instrument. These are the musical instruments that produce sound from the vibrating strings when the performer plays or sounds the strings in some manners. Now it's time to create your own musical instrument. So work carefully and try to be your own instrument and make your own instrument which can actually make music and not a noise. By making different musical instruments, we can have our own school band. So let's do fun with the musical instruments. Now I have to make the string instrument, and for that I need a box. You can take any box, and I use the shoe box. I wrap it with the paper. You can cover it with any paper, any decorative paper also. So to make the string instrument we need a box and rubber or rubber bands. You can choose any rubber bands and the big rubbers also. A sellotape to cover the box and a wooden scale. Students, now take the rubber or rubber band, whatever you take. Now wrap the rubber band around the box. Students, now place your wooden scale, or you can use any wooden stick also. If the scale is not available, you can use the stick, as I am using stick. So you have to place the scale like this, as I wrap the rubber around the box and place the scale. Now I have to vibrate the string like this. You can hear the sound. Now I have to move the scale forward. Now listen carefully. There is little bit change in the sound. You have to move the scale, and again you have to play this music. You can feel the change in the sound. Now move the scale forward and again play this music. You can feel the change, and so on. You can hear. Wow, amazing. The sound is so beautiful. Students, can you believe that it is made by you? So now you can make your own musical instrument. So try it at your home. I use only one rubber. You can use with two or more rubbers, and you can see the difference between the sounds that given by the one rubber and given by the number of rubbers together. So enjoy the musical instrument, the string instrument. Have fun. Bye bye.